What up, guys? This is Pastor Kana again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to continue to talk about the DOM. In this case, we're going to be showing and hiding the DOM elements. Okay, right here on my HTML, I created another div with an ID review, and there is a class container and the none. And this is a h4 and a paragraph. So this is supposed to show right now below the C reviews, right? But it's not showing because I am hiding it. Let's go to my CSS. Right here I see display. Now if I get rid of this for now and save it, it will just show reviewed, and that button doesn't do anything for now. Okay, so now this is being hidden. Okay, so what's going to happen with we're going to take a look in how we can use our button to click to show and hide the DOM element. It will act as a toggle element. This is a very common operation when working with JavaScript. Alright, so let's do that. Let's go back over here. I already have, let's just do our button, cons button equals to get element by ID, and we're going to do right here btn because that's the name of the ID for our button right here. btn, yep. Okay, btn. Now let's use this element. We're going to say button that we're going to use this method add event listener event, and this will take a couple arguments. So the first one is going to be the click event, which is going to be click, and there's going to take an anonymous function to the function, open closing parentheses, curly brackets. Now inside here we want to show our panel right here for the review, right? So we can say the following: const, and then we're going to say review equals to document that get element by ID, but it shouldn't be this one for sure. So right here we're going to pass in review. So let's take a look at this really quick. So let's save that. If we go back, so this markup right here has an ID of review, right? And because we're going to be using that, and okay, let's go back over here. So that's what we have, get element by ID, which is a review. Okay, so let's, oh yeah, so we got that. Now let's just do review that class. We're going to use that class list that I'm going to say remove, and then here we're going to say, so we're going to remove, so the class the none, semicolon. Let's save that. Let's refresh it. Oh, there is an error. Let's see. Get element by ID is not defined. Let's see what is it. Yep, you are correct. That's not defined. Get element, let's see. Get element by ID, which is that btn. It is btn for a button. So what is this giving us? Oh, there's something wrong there. I'm missing something. Document that. Let's save that and that should work. Okay. All right, that shows us, right? All right, that's pretty cool. But now we wanna click back to Siri views and hide it because we wanna use that as a toggle. Right? How do we do that? Let's go ahead and work on that. So let's see. Let's do if. I'm going to use an if statement. If review that class list, which is right there, that contains open closing parentheses, and here we're going to say dnone if review that class list contains dnone, so we can say remove. Let's put that. Let's just copy this or cut it. Let's put it inside. Okay, we're going to say remove, right? Else we're going to say review class. Let's copy this line of code right here so we don't have to retype. Okay, semicolon review class contain, but we're going to remove that contain, so we can say add dnone. Okay, let's save that and see what we have. And then we click it, it goes away. It's hiding it. Click it, hiding it. So let's change the Siri views. Maybe we can say close reviews. Okay, how do we do that? Just really quick, we're going to say a button that add what was it? Text content equals, and then here we're going to say close review, and the semicolon, and then let's copy this line of code right here, and then let's type it right here and else, and then let's change that, and here we can say Siri view. Save that. Okay, let's see. If we click Siri views, bang, it shows our review title, review text, because that's what we have, right? Review title and review text. Okay, now this is close review. Let's just click it. Oh wow, it hide it again. Okay, cool beans. So that worked. Hopefully this video helped you out, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to be doing a little bit more of DOM, I think. We'll see. All right, have a good night, and we'll see you next video. Okay, bye bye.